Welcome to 128 East Acapulco. This multifamily property contains 2 units and has 6 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. It is located on sunny South Padre Island, approximately 275 yards to the sandy beach and the Gulf of Mexico. Let's begin our visit with a tour of the front unit. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths. It's 2 stories tall, and it has a gorgeous ocean view from the top floor balcony. The living area is a spacious blank slate, just waiting for its new owner to come and decorate. The dining room and kitchen are just through this arched doorway. There's room for a small dining table here in the kitchen, and this empty space could be used for dining as well. And there could be additional seating here at the kitchen pass-through. Are you wondering what this property might look like, fully furnished and decorated? Let's take a look. Let's check out the second floor balcony, which spans the width of the house. The first bedroom has a spacious walk-in closet and an ensuite bath. Let's check it out. The second bedroom has easy access to the second bath. This bedroom was originally the formal dining room, which is why it has a low-hanging light in the center and an arched doorway. And this room features access to the front balcony. Now let's visit the third floor, where we'll find a bedroom, a full bath, and a balcony with an amazing ocean view. Now it's time to see that ocean view that I promised. And that concludes our tour of the front unit of the property. Now let's check out the back unit. The second unit can be accessed by going down the front stairs and up the back stairs. With even easier access from the front unit to the back without going up or down stairs, you can exit this door in the front unit's utility room. And now let's check out the back unit, which has a living and dining area, a full kitchen, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a balcony that spans the width of the property. The open concept living, dining, and kitchen area is a great place to entertain friends after a day at the beach. And now let's check out the back balcony, which has a partial view of the Gulf. The first bedroom has a spacious closet and an ensuite bath. The second bedroom has access to the back balcony, and it's right beside the second full bath. This door leads to the back balcony. The third and final bedroom, which is currently being used as an office, has an ensuite half bath and the washer-dryer. The half bath is currently being used for storage. And now let's visit the covered patio and the yard. And that concludes our tour of 128 East Acapulco on South Padre Island. If you'd like to visit in person, contact your favorite local real estate agent.